When I want to start populating my pivot table, I'm going to go into my field list here and I can just start selecting some of these criteria. So if I click on the customer button, it'll automatically populate here into my rows because Excel says that's probably where you want to populate your customers. I can left click this button here to remove that from my rows table here, or I can click and drag. And if I want to change this and say, you know what, let me, instead of showing as rows, let me move it to my filter, I can just click and drag it up to one of these different boxes. Let's say I want to summarize by amount, and using the filter, I can just select either one customer or multiple customers and hit OK. And that will populate in my pivot table. If I want to change that presentation, I can always just click and drag and move that over. And if I want to bring every customer back in, I'll just clear that from the table. So it's easy to change around your different fields or characteristics that you're summarizing information on in your pivot table.